While buying a welding machine for your garage or workshop, it is highly important to ensure that it is a powerful one to ensure that it can be used for all kinds of projects. Thankfully, it is quite easy to get an idea of the performance offered by your flux core welder by simply checking its current output. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 flux core welders on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 261 Flux Core Welder. Forney is one of the oldest brand options out there when it comes to welding machines, since it offers all kinds of options including a decently powerful flux core welder to its buyers. The Forney Easy Weld 261 Flux Core Welder comes at the first position of this list since it is one of the most compact flux core welders out there. Even at its given size and compact form factor, you get a fairly decent current output of 14 amps out of this flux core welder. This is combined along with a 0.30 flux core wire, allowing you to get precise welds. You also get a fairly good duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps with this welding machine. Talking about the compatibility of this flux core welder in terms of the metal thickness on which you can work, it is ideal for up to 1/4 inch thick metal sheets, which is quite good. A great thing about this flux core welder is that it has an inbuilt torch and handle, which can be quite handy in a lot of cases. Since Forney is a fairly popular brand, its given 1-year warranty is to be expected. Number 2. Hobart Flux Core Welder. While it is a bit on the expensive side, Hobart and welding machines like the flux core welder stated here can be a great option for all those of you who want something highly versatile. Hobart's Handler Flux Core Welder comes at the second position of this listicle, as this welder comes with a wide range of accessories in the box, making this welder highly versatile for a lot of users. Talking about its performance numbers, you get a maximum current output of 140 amps out of it. Although its duty cycle of 20% at 90 amps is a bit low when compared with most other options out there. Thankfully, this high-end flux core welder still makes for a great choice for heavy-duty usage, as it can weld up to 1/4 inch thick materials with ease. Coming to the key feature of this flux core welder, you will be glad to know that it includes all kinds of things like MIG gun, cables, clamps, power cords, dual gauge regulator, contact tips, drive roll, and material thickness gauge in the box. As you would expect from such a premium welder, it also comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Number 3. The Vohim Portable MIG 130 Flux Core Welder. The Vohim is a fairly popular brand of all kinds of power tools that can be a great option for using right at your home thanks to their fairly entry-level price tag and performance numbers. The Vohim Portable Flux Core Welder can be another viable option if you are looking for something compact and viable for on-the-go usage. But even at its given size and price tag, the given current output of up to 120 amps is quite decent. When combined with its duty cycle of 15% at 105 amps, you can expect decent results out of it. Similar to much more expensive flux core welders available out there, this one also has a maximum thickness support of up to 1/4 inch for ease of use. Since you will also need accessories for using this flux core welder, the Vohim includes things like welding helmet, wire brush, connectors, and other things in the box. Another thing that it includes is its 1-year-long warranty, which is always great to have for reliability. Number 4. Tulium 200A Flux Core Welder. Tulium and its welding machine options are known for offering pretty high performance numbers, which is also true for its flux core welder stated here that can be a great option for heavy-duty usage. The Tulium 200A MIG Flux Core Welder is the most powerful option stated here in this listicle, at least in terms of its current output. To be precise, this heavy-duty flux core welder from Tulium is able to offer a maximum current output rating of up to 200 amps. Not only that, but you also get a superb duty cycle of 60% at 200, which is much higher than most other welding machines. However, to achieve such high performance numbers, it is a bit limited in terms of supported maximum thickness, which is only rated at 5/32 inch and slightly lower than most other options. Since this flux core welder is designed for heavy-duty usage, you also get a few handy accessories like wires, feed, cables, electrodes, and others in the box. Similar to most other flux core welders, this one also includes a 1-year warranty. Number 5. A Tasha MiG 160 Flux Core Welder. You can also consider a Tasha and its Flux Core Welder offerings if you are looking for something that offers high performance numbers and makes for a great option for heavy-duty usage. A Tasha's MiG 160 Flux Core Welder can be quite a great option for all those of you who wish to work on large-scale welding projectors. For starters, you get a fairly high current output rating of up to 160 amps out of this Flux Core Welder. However, because of its high current output and limited cooling performance, the duty cycle of 15% is quite low. That being said, this Flux Core Welder is not going to be limited at all in terms of the things that you can weld using it, since it supports up to 15 32 inch thick materials, which is the highest in this article. A unique feature of this Flux Core Welder is that it has an IP21 water resistance rating, making it great for many users. You also get a 1-year-long warranty with this Flux Core Welder for your peace of mind. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.